Hi everybody, and I'm just really happy to be taking this second part of this course. Um, it was a little bit difficult, of course, we all know we've got a lot of things that we're doing this term, but eager to learn from everybody else and to learn some more different tools and bells and whistles that we can add to our own courses. For this assignment, I think the thing that I'm focusing most on this term is just cleaning things up and trying to get things organized. As far as um, the weekly overview paragraphs, I actually went into my ECE 111 class, and let's see if I can find. So what I did was I went into each week and I put in some instructions and reading assignment in a video form. So I have a video recording.
Hi everybody, welcome to ECE
That's
111,
enough of that.
Introduction to Early Childhood Environments.
So anyway, I put in for each week a description of what is required for that week. I also, in my introduction here, my written introduction, I took pieces of it that were really important and relevant, and I sent out an email prior to the course starting, about a week before the course started, so that everybody would have the information as they logged on to the class about the requirements that they would have to have, because for early childhood environments, you need to actually be in a setting where you can manipulate the environment, and some folks are not working in an early childhood setting, and so they needed to make arrangements to either be working in one or volunteering or have access to one as an observer. So I sent that out early to make sure everyone understood what those requirements were. So I think really that's what I focused on mostly. The last thing that I recently did was to update my grading rubric for my final project. It was really difficult because I wanted to tie learning objectives to it and outcomes, and they're not really compatible with what I wanted to have as a rubric. So what I did was I actually incorporated my outcomes. I have 3 outcomes, and I actually incorporated my outcomes into my rubric, but they're not linked to, unfortunately, I can't link them directly to the objectives. So I somehow have to figure out how how to make that all work so that it's a kind of a seamless process. So anyway, that's kind of what I'm working on this term, and I'm really eager to see what everybody else has been doing. That's all for now, I think.